Wherever we'll be together, I'll be there and that's the deal now.
To do this trend, you need to have CapCut application. Or if you don't want to add animation, then you can edit on any application you have. I'm using CapCut. Now go to New Project and add your 7 videos. I am using photos to show you how you can edit, but you have to do with the videos. Now after adding your 7 videos, select Format 9:16 and adjust your videos to full screen if it's not adjusted. I'm using photos, so I have to adjust to full screen. Now delete the in part. Now after this, add audio. Audio link is given below in the description. If you don't have the audio, you can get from there. Now select your all video clips to this time duration. Now after this, add text. Type the first text, then choose font and style, and then place the text wherever you want it to be appear. Now trim the text layer till the first clip. Now type the second text and then place, and after that trim the text layer. Now write all the text like that. Now after this, add animation. Click on the photo, then go to animation, and then to combo. Now you can apply animation from here. You can choose any animation for your clip. These are the animation I have applied to my clips. Now first check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.